guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xenia. Today I'm here to review the Inveda D10 scrub which I received this month in the Glamigo box. So it is a 50 ml tub which I received and it retails for 180 rupees, and the packaging is pretty good. As you can see, it looks very luxurious. It has a brown bottom and a very shiny golden metallic cap, and it is a very sturdy packaging, and it's very travel friendly because it's sturdy. So when you open it, it opens like this, and as you open it you can see it is covered with a plastic lid like this, and you have to remove the lid because it protects the scrub inside. And here comes the scrub. You see it is white in color. The texture is very creamy, and I'm going to show you by applying it at the back of my hand. I am applying it. You see how creamy it is, and the granules, I'll show you. Can you see the granules? Can you see the size of the granules? It is so small and round. The size, it's so beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful means the size, it is so good. So size of this granules, it is extremely small. Texture is creamy. When you apply it on your face and wash it out, you will not feel that oiliness which we usually feel after scrubbing our face. So this is a scrub which does not give that greasy and oily feeling after washing off, though it is creamy, but it does not give you that feeling. So it is basically a detan scrub which I received in this Glamigo box, and this is from the brand Inveda, and it is for all skin types, and it is paraben free, so that's a yay. And it contains antioxidants, vitamin E, essential amino acids. All these works wonders on our skin, and it helps to remove the dead skin cells. So this is what the product claims. And now I'll come to my own personal experience. I have been using it for the past 2 weeks now, and this is the only scrub I've been using these in this summer, and this is a detan scrub. So what else do you need in this summer? We all get so tanned, and I have to go out during the daytime a lot because I have to go to the university, and very easily I get tanned. So I really wanted something to detan myself, and I thought of bleaching, but that is not a very good option because bleaching is definitely very harmful for our skin, and going to the parlor and spending thousands of rupees on facial is not what I would really like to do. But when I received this in the Glamigo box, I was so extremely happy. I was a little was a little suspicious whether it would leave my skin again that greasy, oily, and but my skin felt so glowy and fresh, and to a great extent my tan was removed. That was a great thing, and it felt so cooling on the face. While I was scrubbing my face, it gave me a very soothing and cooling effect on my face, which was a great thing. It removed my tan. That was a great thing. Then after washing my face, it felt refreshed, and it felt as if the original texture of your skin, the original complexion, the original color of your skin came out after using this scrub. So I have never ever used such a good scrub in my life. So if you want a scrub, a detanning scrub which would help you to get rid of the tan, the dead skin cells, the whiteheads, the blackheads, then I'm sure if you use this product you are going to love it, guys. So I would ask all the beauties over there, if you want such a product, just go right now to any online website from Nykaa or from Amazon or Snapdeal or anything. You can just go right now and buy this product because this is definitely going to help you. It is going to help all the girls out there. It is for all skin types, so you don't need to worry. It will remove your blackheads, it's going to remove your whiteheads, it's going to remove all the dead skins, the pores. It's going to reduce your pores, unclog the pores, and it's a very good scrub. I do not have enough words to explain how good it is, how well it has worked on my skin. I'm so satisfied with it. I'm going to repurchase it right after I finish it, and I'm very thankful to the Glamigo box that they have sent me such a wonderful product, and I tried it, and definitely I'm going to continue using this product. This is also very affordable. It's just 180 rupees for 50 grams, not even 200, and you get such a good product. You go to parlor, you go to parlors, they'll tell you that you have got a lot of tan, so you need to do a detanning treatment or detanning thing, and they're going to take you they're going to take from you 600 to 700 rupees for that. Why would you spend so much for just one treatment just for one day, you can definitely buy this scrub, and it's going to last you for 2 months, and you can do it at home without without taking the pain of going out of your house and then going to parlors. I mean, it's going to be great. So I highly recommend this scrub to all of you guys over there. It's affordable, it is paraben free, it is for all skin types. It's going to remove your blackheads, your whiteheads, it's going to unclog your pores, it's going to remove all the toxins from your skin, remove all the dead cells. Any online website, it is easily available. In the Indian market, it is an Indian brand as well. So you go and definitely get it for yourself. It is a yay product. I'm in love with this, and I'm very thankful to the Glamigo website that they have sent this product this month. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and comment below, and do share this video with your friends, and take care.